Patience on the gas. Now you're gassing it. Use the whole track, beautiful. Beginning of the next curve, 7 out of 10 on the brake. Look at the cone in the middle. 5 on the brake, 4 on the brake. 3, 2, eyes left.
We came off too early. Yeah.
And get closer to that deep cone.
Okay.
All right, our next brake zone is right in front of the 2 board. 7 out of 10, but look to the left. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. A little early. Now look, see how quick we exited?
Yeah.
We need to slow down more, square that one off so that we're in a straight line here.
Okay.
All right, at the 2, it's a 7 out of 10 on the brake. Eyes left. Less brake, less brake, less brake. Off the brake, just touch the gas. Now you're gassing it. Use the whole track. Outside, beautiful. 7 out of 10 at the beginning of the curve. Look at the cone on the left. 7 on the brake. 6, 5, 4, 3. Off the brake. Touch the gas. Power outside. Power outside. Yeah. Middle of the track. Brake and look right. Need a little bit more brake there.
Okay. Yeah.
Gas to the outside. Let it come back to the middle. Brake and look left. And again, when you touch the brake, I want a little bit more brake.
More than that. Okay.
So here you'll brake between the 3 and the 2, and like that corner 7, look at the cone deep down in there. 7 on the brake, 6 on the brake, 5 on the brake, 4, go to the cone, go to the cone. Now shift your eyes, touch the gas, no gas, touch it. Now we're on the gas.
And this is flat through right here, right?
You can eventually, yeah. Eyes right, now back to the gas. Brake at the curb, look left. 5 on the brake, 4, 3, 2, off the brake, power outside, power outside. Now, when I say power, that doesn't mean go full power.
Yeah.
It means ease into it. Because you can feel it in the wheel, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Squish the brake, get to the cone, patience on the gas, now you're gassing it. Use the whole track, there you go. Coming
on the gas application.
Brake and look at the cone in the middle. Go to the cone in the middle. Less brake, less brake, less brake. Go to it. Eyes left. Touch the gas. Patience, patience, patience. Now you're squeezing the gas. Yeah. That feels better, right?
Yeah.
Braking at the 2. Now we're going to slow this one down more. Less brake, less brake. Now stay all the way to the left. Left, 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 left. Oh, too soon, too soon.
Okay.
See how we're steering? If you just wait another car length, then you're in a straight line between those 2 cones on the gas the whole way. Brake and look left. Less brake, less brake, less brake. Off the brake, touch the gas. Gas it to the outside. There's a lot of patience involved in going fast. It's hard to do. Brake and look left. Less brake, less brake, less brake. Off the brake, just touch the gas. Power it. Outside, outside. Yeah. Middle of the track. 5 out of 10 on the brake. 4, 3, 2. Off the brake. Get to the cone. Patience on the gas. Gas outside. Middle of the track. Brake and look left. Roll off your brake. Touch the gas. Be patient. Now you're gassing it to the outside. Beautiful. You feel how it's starting to flow a little better, right?
Yeah. Definitely take some repetition.
And you're going to start developing some muscle memory too. Less brake, less brake, less brake, less brake. Go to the cone. Eyes left. Add steering. No gas. Just touch the gas. Now you're gassing it. That was perfect. Didn't that feel good?
Yeah.
Eyes to the right. Your hands and feet will know what to do. Back to some power. 5 on the brake. 4, 3, 2. Off the brake. Power it to the outside. Power, 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 power. Middle of the track. 5 on the brake. 4, 3, 2. Off the brake. Touch the gas. Be patient. Now you're gassing it. Gas, 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 gas. Eyes to the right. Little squish on the brake. Off the brake. Get to the cone. Get to the cone. Now you're gassing it. If you want, you can just let off the gas and let him go.
Yeah.
There's nobody behind us for a while. Go to the cone. Eyes left. Touch the gas and be patient. And now you're gassing. You notice how I'm getting you to gas just before the apex every time, right? In the meantime, while you're steering the car, it's maintenance throttle, being patient. Now remember, square this one off. Stay left, stay left, stay left, 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 left. Now right. Look at that. Boom, straight line. Awesome. Little breathe, back to gas. That was awesome. brake, less brake, off the brake, touch the gas, be patient. Now you're back to gas. Power outside. Brake at the curb, look at the cone on the left. 7 on the brake, 6, 5, 4, 3, off the brake, touch the gas, get to the cone. Power outside, power, 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 power. Yeah. Brake and look right. Less brake, less brake. You got a nice brake release. I like that. I'm impressed with that. Middle of the track, brake and look left. And then again, just let them go. It's better than pulling through the pit. Nobody's there. Yeah, we got somebody coming, so gas it. So remember, you'll brake between the 3 and the 2. Drag the brake all the way down into the corner. Post brake, less brake, go to the cone. Less brake, go to the cone, off the brake, eyes left, patience on the gas. Now you're gassing it. Remember also, as you start adding more gas, start straightening the wheel.
Yeah.
Because you can feel it in the wheel, it gets tight, doesn't it?
Yes, sir.
That means you're going to too much gas without giving up enough wheel. So just start to give up, but gas, 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 gas. Nice. Middle, brake and look right. Ease back, touch the gas. Gas to the outside, gas, 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 gas. This one's a little squish on the brake, eyes right, off the brake, get to the cone, patience, patience. Gas, use the track, go, 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 go. Yeah. Brake at the curb, drag it to the cone in the middle. 7, 6, 5, oh, not enough brake. Remember, we don't want to be braking here, we want to be letting go of the brake. Patience and gassing it to the outside.
Tendency to brake too deep sometimes. And keep, instead of releasing, brake, get done with your braking,
stay left, stay left, stay left, stay left, stay left, back to the right. Boom, straight line, you got it. Eyes left, little breathe, back to the gas. Nice. Brake and look left. Touch the gas, be patient. Gas to the outside, straighten in the hands, nice.
I don't know where we at on our laps.
Yeah, we're still good.
Okay.
And brake and look right. If you want to drive through pit lane, you can. We got somebody on us too. I'd go into the pit and drive through pit lane. Fist out the window, nice. So here's how we work the brake zone, right? I want you to change where you brake, but not how hard you brake, okay?
Yeah.
So you start by braking too soon with a really hard brake, okay? You realize I'm going too slow. So you move in, let's say, I don't know, at first a car length, 15 feet with the same brake intensity, okay? If you still feel slow, now I'm only gonna move in half a car length with the same brake intensity. You follow me? You're gonna change one thing at a time. We got the flag there, so I guess we screwed ourselves out of a lap, but you're getting the brake lesson. So you don't change how hard you brake and where you brake, you only change where you brake with the same brake intensity. So you're changing one thing at a time.
Okay.
Moving in, the further in you go, the smaller the pieces become, right? So that's how you work the brake zone.
Okay. We'll
brake hard early, over slow it, you got your foot off the brake, right?
Yeah.
And then move into the brake zone with the same brake intensity. Okay?
Cool. What'd you race? What
Continental Tire Challenge and Rolex GT, 24 hours of Daytona, stuff like that.
That's fine job, sir. Things that I wish I could do. Right?
Hey man, it's never too late.
Is it? I don't know. I'm an old man now.
I started when I was 35.
Okay. Yeah.
Good.
Alright, leave it ready.
Hey, racing's not about how good you are, it's how much money you got. That's the truth.